What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to a new video. Welcome back to another weekly recap. Y'all really been liking these weekly recap videos of Human Made. So I gotta keep them coming for y'all. I gotta keep them coming. So we in week 14 of Human Made. They dropped some dope shit this week. And yeah, like without further ado, we finna get right into it. Let's jump into the weekly recap of week 14, spring, summer 2021. Damn, that's a mouthful. Let's get into it. And click. So first, we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna get into the tees first. If you haven't seen already, I'm gonna get y'all into it. So, first thing first is the tees. The tees, I really like this one. This is one of the tees that I copped this week. I didn't cop it in the white colorway. I caught it in the black colorway. Reason being, these colors pop way more on the black tee than the white, but I really like what they did with this design. Cause they put this on they dropped this on like a jacket that they dropped recently, a few weeks ago. It's like a satin material, I believe. And they put it on a tee, and I'm really glad that they did that because I really like this design. It's so simple and so like, it is right to the point, and it's not over graphic-y. It's just really simple. So you got like the green, blues, red, and yellows, and like this light brownish tan. And on the back it says Human Made. But on the black version, if you haven't seen, I had to cop this black version because these colors pop way more on this black tee, and it just looks so much better. Like with these colors, so I had to get it on the black tee. And on the back it says Human Made in yellow, and on the white version it's in red, as you've seen before. So we're gonna go to the next tee. Had to cop this one. So we're gonna get into the hamburger tee. And I'm not even mad at this one, to be honest, yo, because the way they designed this is not as bold. Like this design right here is very bold with the heavy stroke lines, but this design, they made it a little bit softer with some more textures on it, and I like that, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna wear it. But I just like how they playing around with this design and giving it like different looks and things like that. But again, it looked cool on the white, but look, it looks way better on the black. So like, I really like how it looks on the black tee because the colors pop even more, as you can see right here on the screen. And then like they had like a brush to give it like some different textures and shades to it. And I really like it. Again, I won't wear it because I don't want to wear something like with food on it. So I passed on this one, but I caught the other tee for sure. But I really like what Nigo is doing, like switching it up. So the next, cut and sew, they don't have anything new. Shirts, they came out with a ripstop button up. I passed on this one, but it came in gray and white. So I'm gonna enlarge this for y'all. So it came in gray and white, and it's a really basic, not too crazy of a button-up shirt. It's a ripstop, and it just had like the duck embroidered on the left chest of the pocket. And same thing with the white version. I'll probably go to the white version on this one instead of the gray. And it's a basic tee. I mean a basic button-up, and you can't really fuck up the fit with this. So I really like it. Let's get to the next one. All right, so this cut and sew, the shirts, jackets. I don't think they dropped the jacket. No jackets. They dropped the pants. Yep, they dropped some shorts. So they dropped some shorts in two colorways. They came out with the olive, which is sold out. So we're gonna look at this one first, then we're gonna get to the tan or beige. As you can see, it says "Gift for Futuristic Teenager" on the drawstring, so you can tighten it up. And on the left, like lead pocket, it just has the Human Made heart on it. As you can see right there, simple, not too crazy. For the khaki, I guess you could say, color, same thing with a black heart on it. So that's pretty dope, pretty cool. Hold on, let me see something. Okay, let's check this out. All right, so that's it for the pants. Let's go for the shoes. I know they didn't drop it. Yeah. And they sold out them shoes that I talked about in the last video for the last weekly recap. They sold out, which is crazy. So next we're gonna go into we in the goods, and we finna to talk about this. Let's talk about this real quick. Let's talk about it. So y'all know my feelings towards the food, right? How I said, oh, I'm tired of seeing all the food on stuff and blah 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 blah. But I had to cop the Glizzy rug in large. I got the large version of the Glizzy rug. I was literally debating, let me go ahead and get out. Let's just go ahead and buy it. I bought it. I bought it just like that. Didn't even think twice about it, so I bought it. And then I was like, should I keep it or should I resell it? Because I don't know how these hot dog rugs or the hamburger rug would sell. I only know they came on a hamburger rug. But this would be my actually first like human made rug that I actually copped from them, because I only got that custom made one. The duck that I got from GRAILED is over here in the corner, and that's about it. So this will be the actually first rug that I get. So I may keep it for that reason. So as you can see, it says human made on a bun, and got the goddamn mustard. And the thing about me, 2 ways that I eat my hot dog. Pause. I hate y'all, because I already know y'all finna grill me in the comment section. 2 ways I eat my hot dogs. The first way is like, you know, like chili cheese dog, of course. That's one. The second is basic as hell. Ketchup, mustard, onions. That's how I eat my hot dog. I like onions on my hot dog and a little bit on my burger, but not, depending on how I'm feeling, I eat it on my burger, but mostly on my hot dog. But why the hell I tell y'all the way I eat my hot dogs, how I prefer it? But anyway, it's not really important, but I had copped this. I had to cop it, and it restocked on the large. I was on break at work, and I had seen it, they restocked. I'm like, oh shit, they got some more. So by the time this come out, hopefully they still have it up for y'all to go cop. Be expecting that in the unboxing. Next, of course, we got the smaller version of the rug. I believe this rug probably about $150-ish for the small rug, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So this still up. This been up since last night. Like, these haven't sold out yet for small rugs. Same thing as the large, just smaller. So let's get back into the goods. All right, so in the goods, they dropped this hot dog passport case. Not confident, I'm good. They sold out of the polar bear one. I only know if the polar bear is still up, but we'll check after this. But you know, it's just basically just putting your stuff in there. I'm good on that. I probably found something to put my passports and my important documents in when I do go out the country. But yeah, that's it for that one. And what else we got? All right, they got some lanyards. I don't think I'm gonna buy any more lanyards, because the one that I bought before, they lasted about a month. It lasted, and it didn't last too long. The reason being, it's like the little clip that you clip it into so it won't move. Like, it just got really loose and finicky, and my keys just falling off, so I just gave up. But anyway, they came out with some black lanyards that gets futuristic teenagers on it. I would say, yeah, I'm not gonna get this one. I'm not gonna get this because I feel like it's gonna react the same way the one that I had bought before. So I'm gonna pass on this one. So it came in black, and it also came in this military green. Yeah, that's it for that one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below if you haven't done that already. Hit the like if you already subscribed. If you ain't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm on the road to 1,000. Please do that. Please, 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 please. Also follow me on IG. If you want to shoot the shit with me, DM me, hit me up, feel free. I will respond to you. If I respond to you, which I know I did, let people know down below that I respond and I actually hold conversations with you all. And it'd be some really good conversations, some questions, or we just having a conversation. So just feel free to follow me on Instagram if y'all want. But back to the video. All right, so what else for goods? I know there's some more stuff. It should, yeah, okay, we got some more stuff. Polar bear stuff did sell out. So this is the polar bear passport case. This sold out. Again, I'm not gonna get this. It's not for me. Yeah, I passed on this. It's just mid. It's kind of mid to me. Not even mid, probably lower than mid. So yeah, I passed on this. It is what it is. I'm cool. So they came out with these as well. They dropped these before. Postal PC case 6-inch. What the fuck is that? What is this? It's like some shipment stuff. Hold on. Oh, never mind. I'm tripping. So I guess you could put your your tablets or something in this if you want, but I wouldn't use it, to be honest. I'd rather just get like an actual Hold on, 16 PC. Yeah, I guess you just throw your stuff in there to keep it pushing. But I passed on this. It ain't. I really don't see the point of me even getting this. But it do seem like it's like it'll hold up whatever's in there because that material that they got. Let me see. Yeah, it looks like it's actually padded in there. So good luck. Well, it's sold out, so I guess it's like a popular item that people like. And it came in 3 different sizes, as you can see right now. I'm not gonna show you the other 2 sizes like individually. I'm just gonna let you see it here. But this all that they dropped for week 14 for Human Made. I got what I wanted, the 2 things that I wanted. What the hell is this? I'll blur it out. My nephew's just texting me. But anyway, these are things that I caught. I hope y'all enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate y'all support and everything else that y'all been doing because y'all been showing major love. But anyway, I'm out. Peace.